Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious bread roast at home. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready for a smooth cooking process. Day-old bread works wonderfully, giving you a crispier result. You'll need some good olive oil, fresh garlic, and your favorite herbs like rosemary or thyme. Don't forget the essential salt and pepper to enhance the flavors. Now, let's prepare the bread. You can cut your bread into 1-inch cubes, or for a more rustic feel, simply tear it into irregular pieces. Next, mince 1 clove of garlic very finely, or use half a teaspoon of garlic powder if that's easier. In a large bowl, combine the bread pieces with the olive oil, garlic, herbs, salt, and pepper, ensuring every piece is evenly coated. It's time to get that perfect crisp. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Spread your seasoned bread pieces in a single layer on a baking sheet, making sure they aren't overcrowded. This allows them to roast evenly. Bake for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until they turn a beautiful golden brown and achieve that irresistible crispy texture. Keep a close eye on them to prevent burning. Your homemade bread roast is now ready to enjoy. Serve it warm as a delightful side dish, or sprinkle it over soups and salads for an extra crunch. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days to maintain their freshness. And for easy meal prep, check out the link in the description for fantastic leak-proof containers, plus other great deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.